My blood sugar is 10.7. It's a little bit high at it, really. I like to be under 8. A bit of exercise and all that and bring it down. My diabetes doesn't stop me doing anything as long as you've got to keep your sugar levels right. If you're going to do a lot, you eat a bit more. If you don't do much and sit around, then your sugar goes up. So you've got to keep active, really. I used to get very tired, especially from working. And get in the warm and you'd fall asleep quite easy. I was thirsty a lot, like. And then I went for a medical with the nurse. And we thought I was diabetic and I had to go to the doctor then. And from there on, then he put me on tablets. About 23 years ago. And I controlled it with tablets and diet. And then slowly then, a few years later on, I had to go on insulin. I didn't know much about it really when I first diagnosed. I didn't know anybody with diabetes. You've heard of people losing bits of their feet, their toes and legs. Touch wood. Touch wood, there's nothing happening yet. I eat mainly fresh vegetables, fresh food if you can. I grow kidney beans, potatoes, onions, beetroot and lettuce if we can, for healthy eating. We used to have a pint from work, dinner time, and a pint coming home if we worked late, but all that changed a bit. Not hard really, you get used to it. Just drink in moderation, a sort of pint now and again. When your sugar's up, your energy is down, you don't feel like doing anything. All you want to do is fall asleep. If you got too low, you get the shakes and you get a bit shaky and sweaty. As long as you're on a happy medium, everything goes all right. My doctor seems quite happy with me as long as I'm exercising and not eating too much. I go to the clinic once a year. They go for a checkup in the clinic. Carry on as normal as best you can, innit? And don't worry about it. Just keep your sugar level down. Touch wood, everything's okay. There we go.